guys! Welcome to a new vlog. It's Ezzy, and for today's video, I really want to document this day. It is me and my boyfriend's 6th year anniversary, which is crazy. Can't believe time flies by so fast. But we have a lot of things planned for today. Nasa mall kami ngayon to buy each other's gifts kasi we wanna do the anniversary couple challenge na nasa TikTok, yung my favorite snacks, favorite drinks, and all that. And then later on, we are going to check in sa aming hotel. But yeah, ayun lang, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye! Okay, so the first in our agenda is to get my brows threaded sa Brow Lounge. I usually just get this done twice a month. It's just brow tidy. And sobrang bilis lang ng process, guys. But this was a really painful procedure. I think umiyak ako a few times. Guys, I'm done with my eyebrow threading and sobrang nipis. Ang nipis niya. Sobrang sakit, guys. Super sakit. And now na nababaguhan na naman ako sa mukha ko. But yeah, I think it's too thin, pero wala na tayong magagawa. And I went through so much to get these brows. Okay, and then after my brows, we went to the food court to get some food in because we haven't eaten pa. And I decided to get Thai food, whereas my boyfriend got some chicken, which is his favorite food. This is my first time actually trying Bangkok kitchen. Okay, so andito na order namin. Mine is something pork Thailand rice. Hindi ko alam. Basta pork rice siya. And then Norland's is garlic parmesan.
Walang Coke Zero.
Done, guys. Hi guys, we are separated ways now. Goal is to buy all sa categories. Ano sa to? Something we like, favorite snacks, all that. Okay, so basically we separated after eating to buy the gifts na we needed. Yung nakalagay sa screen, which is fave ring, fave snacks, fave color. And the first store that I went to is Uniqlo to buy something that he needs. Then a t-shirt because he really needs clothes. He doesn't have any coats. And then after that, I went to other shops just to browse things. I went to Adidas. And then I just look for stuff that I think he'll like. Pati sa H&M. And I actually really like this top, but I didn't buy it kasi kulang sa budget. And then I even went to department store and other more stuff, pero I wasn't able to buy anything else. Bye-bye. Let's go.
Zoom ka na, bit.
Kira kayo galak ka. Hey guys. Masakay na kami. Saya. Let's go. Pero share kami ng scallops. And then this one also. Share din kami. We're eating our dinner na po.
Diba?
Wala ka nag-vibe? Sobrang kasama.
Go! 6 years! Anniversary! Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go! 6 years anniversary! Challenge! Favorite drink! Wait na! 1, 2, 3,
Go!
go! Yeah! 4 seasons! Yes! My favorite! Sa'yo mo! Pakita mo! Gatorade and Sprite! Fave
Favorite.
snacks! Pinakita mo naman agad! 1, 2, 3, go! Fudgy bar! Dark chocolate good na bar yan. Sa kanya. Akin! Ay! Honey butter, my favorite. Fave color! 1, 2, 3.
Color pink.
Hindi mo yung pink din!
Di ba din ang pink?
Hindi! Oh, correct!
Cherry din.
Akin black. Pomade kay bagong gupit. Ay, granola. Pink daw. Red. Ganito. 1, 2, 3. Go!
Ay, God.
Thing you need. 1, 2, 3. Go! Bakit flower na naman? Ang regalo ko sa kanya is shorts kasi wala siya shorts.
Naubos niya ganito.
Something we both like. 1, 2, 3, go! Gatorade!
Hindi
Ikaw,
ko
budget
ganun eh.
version. Something you like. 3, go! Baby, ikaw naman ang kaya gusto niya.
Sakit sa kwarto para di na ka maligam
Ikaw naman
ko.
ang ganahan gani ana. Dili man na ako alay.
Ay, buwan.
Gani iya ka life jud din niya. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Ikaw! Tanin! Regalo siya guys, hindi pa dumating. Ano, headset. Yay! Charles 18! Here. Can you open? Yay! Hi guys! Good afternoon. It's a new day and yesterday was me and my boyfriend's anniversary. Nothing much really happened after the dinner sa yacht. We just went home, changed into comfortable clothes and nagpa-massage na lang kami sa favorite massage spot namin, which is ang Wat Thai sa Talamban. But right now, I'm already prepared. I already changed into my clothes and did my makeup. My boyfriend has work, so he's not here. Pero I have to check out sa hotel na because we're going home later. At around after his work actually, so maybe mga 6 or 7. But yeah, I actually didn't want to vlog today kasi I wasn't feeling it. I have my allergic rhinitis. I'm not sure if you guys can see, and a lot of things just happened when I was preparing to go out. Kanina lang actually. I'm not gonna say much about that, but earlier in the morning, I had such a great morning. I woke up at 5:30 a.m. and I went on a 5,000 steps walk dito sa IT Park. And yeah, it was just really nice. The weather was so nice. Hindi pa siya mainit masyado. And then I got iced matcha from Starbucks after and then went home. And then I fell asleep. And yeah, now it's afternoon. I think it's almost 1 p.m. So I'm not really hungry yet. But I do want to go to Ayala Center because the main agenda for today is I want to watch Obsession and then just look around the shops and maybe go to a cafe later. So yeah, I just decided to just vlog this na lang kasi a while again before I get to go back here sa Cebu City. And guys, I know my foundation is a few shades lighter than my body and I'm still trying to find a good foundation that will match my skin tone right now. I don't know why my skin tone keeps on changing every single time. So every single time I buy a new foundation and then it just doesn't match after a few weeks. So I'm struggling a lot, but I think this looks good naman. I just did a lot of bronzer and contour na lang to kind of like at least match it a little bit. But I know it's still too light for my skin, pero okay lang yan. It's okay. People will judge us. That's their problem. It's not my problem.
Okay, so at the mall, I didn't really know what to do, so I went to a lot of shops to just browse. I went to Mango, and there's really cute dresses that I liked, but I didn't buy them. And then I also went to Absidy and other couple makeup shops to check their skin tints because I do want something that could match my skin tone right now. Thankfully, the shops were just right beside each other, and in Happy Skin, the sales lady actually introduced me to this sunscreen tint, but it was super light and I think there's barely no coverage at all, so I really need something to cover my acne and acne scars, so I just didn't buy it. And then I also checked out Watson's. Then I decided to just buy the skin tint that I've been using before when I was younger. It's BB Holic, and I also got some Kojic soap because I run out of that.
Hi guys! I think it's been quite a while since I last updated you all, Charis, if anyone's watching it. But I changed into a new top. I changed into this top that I bought from Uniqlo. It looks like this. But yeah, I changed tops because I was just uncomfortable with my top earlier. I realized why I wasn't wearing that top is because the length is just too much. Like it's almost in my hips and I'm a short girl. So it makes me look more shorter. So I just didn't like how I look. So I changed. I bought this. I just randomly bought this top because I just can't take it anymore. And I couldn't vlog because of my rhinitis, but I feel a lot better now. And I did buy some things. I bought the banana cream matcha from Tofu, but pretty sure it's melted now. And then I just bought these earrings because earlier I don't have earrings, and again I felt uncomfortable, but this was just like 60 pesos, so that's okay. And yeah, I was just strolling around the mall and I did buy the ticket for Obsession, which is gonna start by 3:40. It's 3:29 p.m. So I have a few minutes to just chill. I'm just in front of the cinema right now, and I think I'm just gonna chill until the movie, and I'll see you then. Bye.
Suit yourself.
Sometimes Spider-Man has to do the hard thing. Maybe Dr. Banner, I need your help.
What did you say your name was?